Morning students, 9th standard, Geography Lesson 2, Lithosphere 2, Exogenetic Processes. First lesson, Lithosphere, Endogenetic. This lesson says Exogenetic Processes. Where do we live? We live on the earth. Which part we live? Crust. The outermost layer of the earth is called the crust. So let us see. Crust part, there are some changes due to heat and frost and humidity or natural conditions. Let us see how it is happened. 2.1 Weathering. What is meant by weathering? Breaking, disintegration and decomposition of materials of the earth crust. Crust means outer part, layer of the earth. By their exposure to atmosphere. This happens due to atmospheric condition only. Already the atmospheric condition may be rainfall, humidity, natural calamities. So there are natural conditions, it happens. There are types of weathering: physical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. Three types of weathering: physical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. What is meant by physical weathering? Breaking down of rocks without changing the chemical composition. So, breaking down of rocks without changing the chemical composition. It is happened by physical features. It has three types: exfoliation, granular disintegration, block disintegration. Exfoliation, it means alternate of heating and cooling on rounder shaped rocks. See the picture, rocks of different types. So rounder shaped rocks only this thing happens. Right? So when it happens, peeling, just if you take the onion, if you see, remove layer by layer. So peeling of rocks layer by layer. So this incident is known as exfoliation. Granular disintegration, this is due to the action of temperature and frost. It happens due to the already told atmospheric condition, natural condition. Temperature means either heat or cold, and frost. This granular disintegration, see the page number, picture 168, particularly on crystalline rocks. Next one, block integration. Blocking means we stop, so in between. Block disintegration, it happens during day and night. Repeated expansion and contraction. See, heat expand and contraction. See, during summer railway track, you may see heat has two, expansion of heat and the contraction of heat. So this is block disintegration happen. Next one, chemical weathering. First one, physical weathering. You give three types: exfoliation, granular disintegration and block disintegration. Now let us see chemical weathering. It is happened due to the chemical processes. Physical weathering, physical process without changing any chemical process. Here, chemical weathering, disintegration and decomposition. This word is always repeated. Disintegration and decomposition of rocks. So where do you find rocks? On the earth. So all this happens. Sometimes you can see big rocks, you can see small bits of rocks. And waterfalls also might have seen. This happens. Next one, biological weathering. You might have studied biology. What is meant by biological weathering? Due to penetration and expansion of plant roots and burrowing animals like rabbits, rats, and insect worms, earthworms, and sometimes human activities. So biological weathering happens by plant roots, penetrating of plant roots, burrowing animals like rabbits and rats, earthworm, and also human activities. Next one, 2.2 gradation. It is the process of leveling of the land by means of natural agents. You might have seen what are the natural agents. Natural agents mean water, wind, rainfall, these are all natural agents. Leveling of the land. This is, there's a formula, gradation is equal to erosion, transportation and deposition. So what is the formula? Gradation happens, erosion, maybe of erosion or transportation plus decomposition. Erosion plus transportation plus decomposition, all these come under gradation. What are agents of gradation? First one, running water. Water has three types. Courses of river. Water, where do you find water? We see water in the river, lakes, ponds, wells, etc. Streams. So, now let us see a river. What is the source of river? Which is the source of river? It may be mountain, it may be hill, or may be plateau. All these regions, they get water by rain, glaciers, springs, lakes. Understand water. These are lakes or lake, rivers are filled with water by rain, sometimes overflowing. So, courses of river, three types, important three types. Upper course, this upper course happen erosion. See gradation, erosion, transportation, deposition. So, the upper course of the river, we see the erosion. Middle course, transportation, and lower course, deposition. Deposit water and minerals are deposited. Upper course, erosion is the most dominant action. Already told, erosion takes place on the upper course of the river. In this time, when it happens, erosion, when the water is eroded, what happens? V-shaped valleys, gorges, canyons, rapids, potholes, spurs and waterfalls, all these happen due to erosion of water, running water, the first course, upper course of the river. Let us see middle course happen, transportation. Transportation in the middle course develops some typical landforms. Here we see alluvial fans. So what alluvial soil, river flowing area contains plain region, alluvial soil. Already studied in Himalaya, older alluvium and newer alluvium. See alluvial fans, flood, plains, meanders, oxbow lakes. All this happen in the middle course of the river. Lower course, here happens the deposition. Deposition, the river moving downstream across a broad level plain is loaded with debris brought down from the upper and middle course. Large deposits of sediments are found at the level bed and the river splits. Here only you see the tributaries and distributaries. There is a difference between tributaries and distributaries. See the box, it is given. Tributary, small streams that join the main river. Small stream joining with main river is known as tributary. Example, river Bhavani. Distributary, opposite. River channels that get separated from the main river. So, here small river joining with main river is known as tributary, and distributor means small rivers departed from or separated from the main river is known as distributary. Example, river Kollidam. You can see the river Kollidam. Here erosional landforms of river, gorges and canyons. Example, Brahmaputra and the Indus in the Himalayan. So perennial rivers, North Indian rivers are perennial rivers, you know. So there you can see the gorges and canyons. Next, waterfalls. When a river flows in a region where hard rocks lie over the soft rock, so what happens? Soft rocks breaks into pieces. So thus the river falls vertically from a steep slope. So very vertical line, horizontal line. Here vertically water falls. So vertical form waterfalls. When the water falls with great force, it erodes the rocks material beneath and creates a depression called a plunge pool. Rapid river jumps. Box answer, the highest waterfalls in the world is Angel Falls, 979 meter in Venezuela. Next one, V-shaped valley. What is the shape? V-shaped valley is formed by the vertical erosion of the river. Potholes, due to the river action, cylindrical holes are drilled vertically in the river bed. So all this happens in the river bed. Next one, meanders. So meanders, oxbow lake, alluvial fan, floodplain, all this you see in the middle course. Meander, the river loaded with debris flows slowly, it forms sweeping loops and bends. It is referred to as meanders. Oxbow lake. Meanders in due course of time became almost complete circle round with narrow necks, circle with a narrow necks. This is called Oxbow lake. The world's largest oxbow lake is Chicotin, Arkansas of USA, Lake Kanwar in Bihar in India, in Asia's largest freshwater oxbow lake. In India, which state do you find? Bihar. Name of the lake is called Lake Kanwar. Alluvial fan, a fan-shaped deposition made by the river at the foothill is called the alluvial fan. Floodplain, fine sediments are deposited in the river banks. Fine sediment elements you see thus form the sedimentary rocks. Types of the metamorphic, igneous, sedimentary rock. Here sediments are deposited on the river bank. These sediments make the region rich and fertile. These regions are very fertile. So good for crops. Lower coast we see estuary and deltas. What is meant estuary? Estuary is formed where the river meets the sea. The meeting all the river flow into sea. Origin of the river may be mountain or plateau region or hills. Finally, all the rivers, most of the rivers flow into Bay of Bengal and some rivers flow into Arabian Sea. So that meeting area is called the, where the rivers meets the sea is called the estuary. And delta, what is the form of delta? It is triangular in shape. You must have studied mass, triangle, three sides. A triangular plateau region is also triangular in shape. Here delta is also a triangular in shape. Low lying and formed by the river at its mouth. So where the at its mouth is called the delta, river mouth. Triangular shape, low lying area formed by the river. So triangular shape, here we are studying about the water, running water by the river. So by the river at its mouth is called the deltas. Deltas are fine deposits of sediments enriched with minerals. Example here, South India, Kaveri Delta in Tamil Nadu. So far you have studied about the running water, three courses of river. What are three courses? Upper course, the middle course and the lower course. Upper course you see erosion, middle course you see transportation and lower course you see the deposition. And other thing you see, Chart topography is not included, but you go study erosional landform. There is eroded. So you must study in science soil erosion. So that's why you plant trees then and there. If you cut the trees, what happens? Erosion is happened where there is no tree. So such a place. So you have to prevent soil erosion. If they suppose that good soil is eroded, that place is the place where it was eroded is that place is seemed to be desert. So we got to prevent to prevent soil erosion. What should we do? We got to plant trees. Erosion of landforms, underground water, terra rossa, Italian term for red soil, sinkhole, lapis. Box answer, the world's deepest sinkhole is China's Zhangnan Tenkang at 2,172 feet. And you might have seen about the rocks, only caves, where defined says ancient prehistoric period people lived in caves. So caves, what is cave made of? Only rocks. So rocks and caverns. Caves and caverns are subterranean features of hard topography. Deposition landforms, underground water. You can see the underground water. Here you see important one, glaciers. You might have heard the word glacier. What is a glacier? It is a large mass of ice that moves slowly over the land from its place of accumulation. It is also known as river of ice. So Himalaya means what you already studied. Himalaya means abode of snow. Here glaciers, the place of accumulation is called snow field. The height above which there is a permanent snow cover in the higher altitude or latitude is called snow line. Higher the latitude, lower the snow line from sea level. Erosional landforms of glacier. Glaciers are powerful erosive agents. Some of the important erosional landforms are Skarku, Artex, Matterhorn, U-shaped valley, not V-shaped here, U-shaped valley, hanging valley, fjords, etc. So all these happen due to the water. So let us see up to this one water, next one wind is not added. So up to this one you are expected to study. Question answer. First one, choose the best answer. The disintegration and or decomposition of rocks is generally called option A, weathering. 2. The process of leveling up of land by means of natural agents, C, gradation. 3. Dash is seen in lower course of the river. Which one is seen? Delta. That is included. Next one. Karst topography is formed due to the action of deep groundwater. Fifth one. Which one of the following is not a depositional feature of glacier? Option A. Sixth. Deposits of fine silt blown by wind is called as layers. Stakes are found by option A, wave erosion. So erosion of wind erosion, soil erosion, wave erosion. Dash is erosion responsible for the formation of curve is glacial. Which one of the following is a second order landform? Option B, Deccan Plateau. Where is Deccan Plateau? In India. Match the following distributor is mushroom rock, eskers, stalactites, cliff. Glacial action, action of sea wave, lower course of river, aeolian process, karst topography. 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Thank you, students.